Good afternoon and welcome. Thank you for joining our session, Powering Performance, the Hardware Behind Eve. This is the third webinar in our Eve series, following From Design to Device, showcasing Eve capabilities, now available on our YouTube channel. If you missed it, I recommend watching for a better understanding. I am Vonica, host for this webinar. Together with me, we have Gavin Moore, your moderator in the Customer Engineering Support Team. Gavin is here to ensure our session runs smoothly and will be managing your questions throughout the webinar. Hosting with me are Graham Brown, our CES team leader, with over 15 years guiding customers and distributors through complex projects. And Aaron Jones, our CES engineer, with over a decade of experience designing intuitive user interfaces. A bit of housekeeping. We'll have a Q&A at the end. Please submit questions in the chat anytime. If we have time, we'll follow up by email. You can also reach us at support.emia@brtchip.com. Let's get started. I'll hand over to Graham to kick off today's discussion.
Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining us today. In today's webinar, we'll cover the following topics. We'll give you an introduction to Bridgetek. We'll recap our recent webinars. We'll cover our main topic today, which is the Bridgetek hardware overview. And we'll finish up with a Q&A session at the end. First of all, let's give you a brief overview of who we are and what we do here at Bridgetek.
Bridgetek, a global semiconductor company, specializes in innovative bridging solutions, including HMI solutions and microcontrollers. We are well known for our embedded video engine graphic controller, ICs and modules, which integrate display, audio, and touch functionality into a single chip. This approach significantly reduces development time and costs for next-generation HMIs. We focus on innovative silicon solutions that enhance seamless interaction with modern technologies. Our key objective is to support engineers with feature-rich, robust, and easy-to-use product platforms. These platforms enable the creation of high-performance electronic designs with low peripheral component requirements and minimal power consumption. Our services do not restrict us only to providing IC components. We also offer customized hardware solutions, designing modules with displays and software as required. Partner with Bridgetek for your future visually impressive applications. Let's build the future together.
And here's a short recap of our previous webinars. In our first webinar, you can find out more about our Eve devices and how they can help you create stunning user interfaces quickly and easily. You can also learn about the different software tools and development approaches for creating your Eve applications in our second webinar. You can scan the codes here to visit our YouTube channel and to play the recordings of both webinars. And so on to the main part of our webinar today, which is to talk about our hardware solutions. With our extensive range of hardware solutions, you can evaluate Eve, develop your application, and take it to production quickly and easily. First of all, let's summarize the different types of hardware products which we'll cover today, which include our IC evaluation boards, our new IC development kits, our display panels, our intelligent display modules, our MCU modules, and our accessories. Here we have a summary of those different hardware categories. We'll be describing them more in more detail in just a moment, but you can look back at this table at a later time for your reference.
Welcome to Bridgetek Hardware, bridging the gap between concept and reality. Our IC evaluation boards are built for precision, allowing engineers to validate signals and chip behavior with speed and focus. The IC development kit is a complete ecosystem, perfect for rapid prototyping and creating full application proof of concepts. Our TFT display panels bring high-quality visuals and touch support to any existing embedded design. For industrial power, the Intelligent Display Panel combines an MCU, graphics engine, and touchscreen into one module. The FT9-XXMCU modules provide dedicated processing and heavy-duty connectivity for IoT and industrial automation. Expand your capability effortlessly with our range of plug-and-play accessories and sensors. Bridgetek, powering the future of human-machine interface and connectivity. .
So first of all, just to talk about the first category that we mentioned there, our IC evaluation boards. These are ideal for evaluating Eve and developing your application. The range of compact modules includes a version for each Eve generation, including our FT80X, FT81X, BT816, BT817 and BT820. Alongside the Eve IC, they contain the supporting circuitry and connectors for your MCU or host, a power input connection, a connection for your display, a connection for the touch panel, and an onboard audio amplifier with internal speaker or a connection for an external speaker, depending on the model. This allows you to evaluate the graphics, touch, and audio features of Eve. Simply add a display and connect a host such as your own MCU or a computer running our free Bridgetek development tools to get started developing applications ranging from 480 by 272 resolution all the way up to 1920 by 1200. Some models are available with a display included too. Just to go through the models in more detail, the VM800C credit card module contains our FT800 and is ideal for display resolutions around 480 by 272 with resistive touch. The VM810C credit card module contains our FT810 and supports higher resolutions of up to 800 by 480 with resistive touch. The VM816 credit card module contains our BT816 and the module supports resolutions of up to 800 by 480 via its 40-pin RGB connector with resistive touch. It supports the additional features of the BT815 and 6, including external flash and Unicode fonts, as well as enhanced audio. The ME817EV module contains our BT817 with capacitive multi-touch support. It supports both RGB and LVDS displays due to the onboard RGB to LVDS interface at up to 1280 by 800 resolution. An SPI to QSPI header for your own MCU is available, and an onboard USB to QSPI interface makes it easy to connect to your computer for use with our Bridgetek development tools. And finally, the VM820C credit card module features our BT820 Eve IC for even higher resolution LVDS displays up to 1920 by 1200, as well as I2C touch connection for capacitive multi-touch, and other powerful features such as an LVDS live video input. An SPI and QSPI header for your MCUs is on board, as well as a USB to QSPI interface, allowing you to connect it directly to a computer over USB. Next of all, we'll introduce our new range of IC development kits. So first, we're going to show you a short video, and then Vonica is going to take you through the different kits available.
Hi there from Bridgetek. Psst, let me share with you. We have now IC development kit solutions that can help engineers assess, prototype, and accelerate the integration of Bridgetek display technologies. Hi there, I am your display panel. Paired with me and my brothers, these kits are IC development kits. Hi there, I am your module. Together with me, you can now simplify the evaluation of embedded video engine graphics controllers, enabling faster development cycles and reducing overall system integration effort. Hi there, I am your bridging accessory. Use me for any bridging of modules or display panels. Together, we are your Bridgetek IC development kit solution.
And I'll now hand you over to Vonica, who's going to give you an overview of our IC development kits.
Thank you, Graham. Bridgetek IC development kits are built to give engineers a head start. They are more than just boards. They are actually complete platforms that bundle hardware, software, and reference designs into one package. With user-friendly interfaces and clear documentation, these kits make it easy to explore Bridgetek advanced ICs for connectivity, display, and control. The result is faster prototyping, smoother testing, shorter time to market, helping teams to move from concept to polished product with confidence. Now, the next video will show you an example of the IC development kit of BT817.
Bridgetek development kits are designed to accelerate prototyping, featuring advanced solutions like the BT817Q EVE4 graphics controller. The BT817Q integrates capacitive touch control and audio output, offering a fourth-generation solution for high-performance embedded systems. Each kit provides everything you need: a high-resolution display panel, the ME8117EV EVE module, versatile adapters, and extension cables for a complete out-of-the-box experience. From smart home automation and medical diagnostics to automotive displays, EV4 technology powers the next generation of intuitive human-machine interfaces. Supporting resolutions up to WXGA and featuring a dedicated PLL, these kits provide a practical environment for testing cutting-edge features. Reduce your time to market and ensure seamless integration with Bridgetek. Start building today.
Now, let me introduce you to our Bridgetek FT810 development kit with a 4.3-inch display. The kit is designed to make evaluation and prototyping simple and effective. At its core is the board powered by the FT810 embedded video engine, our proven graphics controller. It comes paired with a crisp 4.3-inch TFT LCD, complete with resistive touch so you can interact with your designs right away. And to make connectivity effortless, we have actually bundled the MM4222 QSPI interface board, giving you a direct USB to QSPI link from your PC. Now that we have actually assembled the kit, we can now connect to our computer via the USB to begin developing our user interface using the Bridgetek development tools. So in just a few seconds, you can see the color image being displayed on the screen. Now, in short, this is a compact, ready-to-go solution for developers who want to explore, test, and bring their GUI ideas to life quickly. For more information, you can just click the QR code. So let me introduce you to our Bridgetek BT816 development kit with a 5-inch display. The kit is all about giving developers a smooth path to building a graphical user interface. At the heart is the board powered by the BT816 embedded video engine, delivering vibrant graphics, touch, and audio. It is paired with a clear 5-inch TFT LCD, complete with resistive touch, so that you can interact directly with your design. Here we are connecting the FPC cable with the RG888 and touch signals to the BT816 module. And to make setup effortless, we have included the MM4222-QSPI interface board, which gives you a simple USB to QSPI connection straight from your PC, which also powers the board. We can now run the demo program, which displays an image. Now, in short, this kit is a practical mid-size solution for anyone wanting to evaluate, prototype, and bring user interfaces, applications to life quickly and effectively. For more information, you can just click onto the QR code. Now, let me introduce you to our Bridgetek BT817 development kit with a 7-inch display. This kit is designed for those who want to prototype even more advanced graphical user interface. At this heart is the board powered by the BT817 embedded video engine, delivering smooth, high-quality graphics. It is paired with a bright 7-inch TFT LCD that features a capacitive touch, giving you the kind of responsive, modern interaction that users expect today. Here we are connecting the 10-pin touch extension cable from the display touch panel to the ME817EV. We have included the generic LCD adapter board and cables which interface the display to the ME817 EV. Using the onboard USB quad SPI interface, we can now connect to a computer and load a small example which displays an image. In short, this kit gives you a convenient, versatile platform to evaluate, design, and prototype the next generation display applications. For more information, please click on the QR code. Let's look at our Bridgetek BT817 development kit with a 10.1-inch display. This is a complete platform built for high-resolution applications. At its core is the board, powered by the BT817 embedded video engine, delivering smooth graphics and advanced performance. It is paired with a large 10.1-inch TFT LCD, offering 1280 by 800 resolution and capacitive touch for a modern, responsive user experience. And to make integration simple, we've included a 40-pin flex cable, so you have everything you need to evaluate, design, and prototype high-resolution graphical interfaces. Now here we are connecting the capacitive touch panel, which supports up to 5 simultaneous touches, to the ME817 EV. We connect a 5-volt USB Type-C cable to power the board. The onboard USB to quad SPI interface provides an easy way of connecting to a computer. We can now run an example via the free Bridgetek design tools to display an image. In short, this kit is the go-to choice when you want to bring vibrant, full-size graphic user interface applications to life. For more information, you can just click on the QR code. Now let me introduce you to our Bridgetek BT820 development kit with a 10.1-inch display. This is our high-performance solution built for high-resolution applications. At its core is the VM820C board powered by the BT820B embedded video engine, delivering exceptional graphics capability. It's paired with a stunning 10.1-inch LVDS TFT LCD at WXGA resolution 1920 by 1200 with capacitive touch for a smooth modern user experience. Here we use the included touch adapter cable to connect the panel to the VM820C, allowing applications to leverage the 5-point multi-touch application to the BT820B. The included flex cable provides the LVDS connection to the VM820C, supporting its high-resolution display capabilities. We connect the LVDS and the touch cables to the VM820C, and the onboard USB to QSPI interface makes it easy to connect to a computer. We can now use our comprehensive free design tools to develop the user interface. Here we load a small example which displays an image. In short, this kit is a complete package giving you everything you need for evaluating, designing, and prototyping next-generation high-resolution graphical interfaces. For more information, click on the QR code. Over to you, Graham.
Thanks, Monica. And we'll now hand you over to Aaron, who has an overview of our range of TFT display panels.
Thank you, Graham. As you can see here, we have a wide range of display panels in different shapes and sizes available. You can find out more about these on our TFT displays page at brtchip.com by scanning the QR code that is on the screen now. This webinar is being recorded, so if you want to watch it back in the future and pause it to scan the QR code, you're more than welcome. Moving on, you can see on this slide that we have a wide range of panels. Our display panels come in sizes from 2.8 inches all the way up to 15.6 inches, with resolutions up to 1920 by 1200. Depending on the model, they feature capacitive multi-touch support or resistive touch panels and connect via either RGB or LVDS interfaces. You can find out more, again, by scanning the QR code which we showed on the previous slide. We also offer custom solutions, and so please also get in touch if you have any specific requirements, and our engineering team will be pleased to discuss these with you. We have a range of intelligent display modules which are also available. The first of these is our VM800B series, which features our FT800 EVE devices. These are available in 3.5, 4.3, and 5-inch versions. They all feature RGB color TFT panels, resistive touch, and audio with an onboard speaker. These are in a robust and easy to mount plastic bezel, which is ideal for both evaluation and final products. These can be connected to any MCU over SPI or to a computer via a USB to SPI adapter, such as the M4222 QSPI that we will show you later. Our IDM modules combine the powerful EVE device with an onboard Raspberry Pi RP2040 MCU. The 7-inch version is based on our BT817 EVE IC and features a capacitive touchscreen with 5-point multi-touch support and a wide range of interfaces to external devices such as I2C. It's an ideal platform for collecting and displaying sensor data, for example. The 4.3-inch version is based on our BT883 and features a capacitive touchscreen with 5-point multi-touch. It is easily integrated into devices with its plastic enclosure and bezel. The 2.1-inch version uses a round display with a stylish modern design for applications such as smart home controls. It is powered by our FT800 EVE device, and user interfacing is via a capacitive touch display as well as a mechanical rotary dial with a push to select feature. This module can interface to other systems over UART and RS485. We have a range of intelligent display panels also available. As you can see, these come in a multitude of sizes as well. The intelligent display panels include a stylish and plastic enclosures and are designed to interface via RS485 or, in the case of some of them, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The panels are available in a variety of sizes from 3.5 inches up to 10.1 inches and are powered by an onboard EVE's graphics processors and standalone MCUs such as the FT900 series, which we'll cover shortly, and the RP2040. The IDP modules are ideal for direct Our Clio range of modules are driven by the FT8 generation EVE and incorporate pre-programmed FT900 MCUs. These allow the use of a higher level command set via the Arduino IDE for developing applications. There are 3.5 and 5-inch versions of this module available. Moving on, we have some MCU products that Bridgetek also offers. MCU products are the perfect solution for integration with our EVE-based development boards. The FT90X and FT93X series of MCUs power many of the development boards and modules we have previously covered. These offer a variety of interfaces such as SPI, I2C and USB and are ideal for bridging applications. The FT9OX, in addition to SPI, I2C and USB, also includes Ethernet, CAN and SD card interfaces, allowing its usage for a wide variety of applications. The FT93X series offers the same great features as the FT9OX, but comes in a reduced pin count package. We have a number of MCU development modules available for these. You can see on the screen right now. Here is an overview of the available modules, along with the interfaces and peripheral support that they can provide. Finally, a number of accessories are available for our EVE and MCU products. You can see these highlighted here. In the green are the EVE-based accessories, and the purple one on the bottom right is our MCU-based accessory. First of all, we have the M4222 QSPI, which is an MCU host board for use with EVE-based modules. This includes an onboard USB to SPI IC for direct connection to a host PC, allowing rapid development of EVE-based applications. This module includes a pin header for a number of popular MCU platforms as well, such as the STM32 or ESP32, so you can connect these directly into the board and interface them to EVE. The VA1001-01A is an LCD adapter board, allowing users to bridge EVE evaluation boards to a wide variety of LCD panels. This module supports capacitive and resistive touch bridging to your development board and the LCD. It also includes onboard LCD bias voltage regulation and a power jack for supplying power to the LED backlight driver on your LCD panels. The VA1001-02A is a touch adapter designed for simple and reliable connections between touch panels and development modules such as the VM820C. We have a Clio speaker available as well. This is a compact speaker unit with a JST connector interface, which can be utilized with a number of our development modules to add audio to your applications. The MM2040EV is an RP2040 based MCU module, which can be directly connected to our EVE graphics controllers. It is ideal for development and includes a number of additional interfaces such as I2C, UART, SPI and USB. And finally we have the UMFT PD2A, which is a USB debugger module for our FT90X and FT93X series of MCU products. I'm going to pass it back to Graham now.
Thanks, Aaron. So just to conclude today's webinar, at Bridgetek, we pride ourselves in developing not only innovative ICs for touch-enabled HMIs and protocol bridging, but also on the full ecosystem that supports you in evaluating, developing, and producing products with them. This includes our powerful software tools and examples that we covered in our earlier webinar, and of course, the wide range of hardware tools that we've shown today. In particular, our exciting new range of development kits include everything that you need to get up and running and developing your application, whilst our intelligent display modules and TFT display panels help you achieve a rapid time to market with stunning UI designs to enhance your product and its user experience. So I'm now going to hand you over to Gavin, who will be taking your questions in our Q&A session.
We did it! 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you to our amazing community for all your support. Here's to many more milestones to
Thank you, Graham. And as before, if you could enter your questions in the chat at the top of the screen, our team will get back to you. While we wait on some questions, just to let you know about our next webinar in the series, and it's deploying EVE in real applications. And this will be on the 19th of August, and at the same time slot as today. So if you have any questions, please enter them. While we do that, I'll start the ball rolling. If I required audio in my application, is it available in the kits that you mentioned today?
So yes, the audio is available. Support for the Clio speaker, which was a mentioned accessory, is available for a number of the kits that were mentioned, and some of the other kits also include onboard built-in speakers. So if you wish to integrate audio into your application, it is totally feasible with the development kits that we are offering today, and is quite easy to do in software as well.
Thank you, Aaron. Any questions? Nothing at the moment in the chat. Another one is, can I port my current Eve project into the new kits that you were displaying today?
Yes, absolutely. So if you've already got one of our credit card modules or any of the modules that we've shown throughout the webinar, you can certainly use the same code on one of our Eve kits. The main idea of the kit is to provide you with everything that you need to get up and running quickly, including the display, the Eve module itself, the host, and the audio. But in terms of software, you can reuse and continue developing your software using our kits.
Thank you, Graham. On the software side of things, you both mentioned USB and MCU. Can I use both of them?
Yeah. So each of our kits is designed to support both USB and also the microcontroller, because we understand that sometimes you may want to do development using our free Bridgetek software tools by connecting your module over USB and then continue on developing the application with your own microcontroller so that you can proceed towards your final product design. So our kits cater for both. They either include a separate USB to QSPI adapter, or they have the USB to QSPI on board already. So with all of the kits, you can easily switch between USB connectivity and your own microcontroller. And with the USB, the QSPI adapter that we provide with some of the kits, you can even connect some MCU modules directly into that and for an easy connection to the Eve module.
So very flexible for development purposes.
It's very much a flexible solution, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so anybody, any other questions I'd like to ask? Okay, if there's no further questions, just a reminder about the next webinar on the 19th of August, and I would like to thank everybody for their time and patience today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.